Dear friends, I'm Dr. Arif from OCI. Today I want to tell you about our recent research for power generation through supercritical carbon dioxide. It's an amazing breakthrough. Supercritical carbon dioxide is CO above its critical temperature and pressure per saline, behaving like a gas yet as dense as a liquid. sCO₂ is non-toxic and non-flammable, already used for dry cleaning and decaffeinating coffee, proving its safety and versatility. In power generation, its high efficiency comes from rapid density shifts with small temperature or pressure changes. This compact turbine covers only 1 square meter of area, yet it has the ability to produce between 10 and 15 megawatts of electricity. Few see a revolutionary step in power generation. Southwest Research Institute leads sCO₂ technology, over $120 million invested to develop and demonstrate real-world power cycles. Advancing clean energy for the future. And thank you very much. Please like my videos to encourage me.